Hi, welcome to our video presentation for chapter BIO330. Today we're going to talk about Burmese fighting. This is my group members. The first one is Izol, Iwani, Hazrin, myself, Ilya, and the last one is Aina.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am Ismi 11 Ismail and my mention number is 2022817892. So now I want to make you guys a short presentation about the Burmese fighting. So this is the taxonomic characteristic. For the first one is common name or another name about the Burmese fighting is Phyton militatis. The kingdom is Animalia and the phylum is Chordata. And then it also in class Reptilia. For the order is Guamata, family Boida, and for the genus species is Phyton morus. Originating from Southeast Asia, the Burmese fighting is one of the biggest snake species globally. Since they are non-venomous constrictors, they suffocate their victim till it dies. They can reach a maximum length of 18 feet on average, while some have been measured to reach 20 feet. They are easily recognized by their characteristic pattern of the dark brown spots on the tan backdrop. Although Burmese pythons are often treated as a pest, their release into the wild can cause issues. This is especially true in the Florida Everglades, where they have overtaken native fauna and upset to the environment as alien species. Additionally, they are renowned for their extraordinary capacities to devour enormous animals such as deer and crocodile.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Isahikal bin Muhammad Basri. My student ID is 2022454122. So I'm going to present about characteristic of Burmese python. So first, they have dark brown blotches are irregularly shaped on a tan background, as we can see at below slides. And then they have blotches fit together like a puzzle or giraffe pattern. And lastly, they have dark wedges on top of head, below head, and behind the eye. So the history picture of the Burmese python right there that show their characteristic.
Hi, my name is Aina Batrisha binti Muhammad Zamri and I will continue about the reproduction of Burmese python. First, Burmese python will reach sexual maturity in 4 to 5 years. The Burmese python breeds in early spring. They may lay as many as 100 eggs in March or April. The average clutch is about 35 feet. Unlike most snakes, the female coils around the clutch and stay with the egg until they hatch. She does not feed during this period, which may last 2 or more months. Burmese python actually incubate their eggs by raising the temperature within the coil by as much as 7 degrees above the air temperature. This is accomplished by frequent hiccuping or muscle spasm. Once the baby hatch, they are on their own and must fend for themselves. They hatch about 12 to 18 inches, 31 to 46 cm in length. That's all from.
Hi, my name is Naisha Hazim binti Chetlam and my ID number is 20224956. Now I'm going to talk about the role of Burmese python in ecosystem. So Burmese python is actually a threat to native wildlife and ecosystem of South Florida, and their presence has led to severe declines in Everglades mammal population. It is known to eat inbred species such as stalks, key largo wood rats, and limpkins, as well as large animals such as alligators, white-tailed deer, and bobcats. It also competes with native predators for food, habitat, and space. Even though Burmese python is a threat to native wildlife and ecosystem, the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources has lists the Burmese python as a vulnerable species. Even ecologists have stated that the Burmese python numbers has fallen out throughout the 21st century due to several countries harvesting them for food and skin to make leather garments and drums. It is also threatened by habitat loss, which reduces its ability to hide from the hunters. However, it is internationally protected under CITES and by local ordinance in Hong Kong. It is also the only native python species and is the territory's largest remaining population. Although Burmese python is a widespread species in Southeast Asia, Hong Kong possibly has the healthiest remaining population in southern China. That's all, thank you.
Next, we move to conservation efforts for Burmese python. First, habitat restoration. Efforts are underway to restore affected habitats in areas where native species have declined due to python predation. And second is regulation and legislation. Stricter regulation on the importation and trade of Burmese python have been implemented to prevent further spread. Laws in certain regions require python owners to register their pets and follow specific containment guidelines. Then, interesting facts about Burmese python. The first one is size and weight. Burmese python are among the largest snake species in the world, with adult typically reaching length of 12 to 18 feet and weighing up to 200 pounds. The record for the largest Burmese python is over 18 feet. And the second one is behavior. These snakes are generally solitary except during the breeding season. They are also excellent swimmers and can stay submerged for up to 30 minutes.
Okay, for the conclusion of this slide is the Burmese python, native to Southeast Asia, is one of the largest snakes globally, growing up to 20 feet long and weighing over 200 pounds. These powerful constrictors have triangular head, sharp teeth, and can swallow animals as large as goat and deer. In Florida, they have become invasive due to international or accidental release into the wild. Encouraging people to appreciate the ecological importance is essential. By understanding their role, we can foster coexistence and minimize conflicts. As apex predators, they play a crucial role in balancing ecosystem.